If you're trying to get around, whether you're driving or sailing or lost in a rainforest, for example, one of the most basic and useful tools you can have is a compass. Nowadays, people mostly use GPS, but if you know where you are, you can use a map and one of these little guys to get where you need to be. On every map, you'll find a little diagram of the cardinal directions, the compass rose. Match that up with your compass and you're good to go, right? But look closely and you might find two sets of directions. These correspond to the difference between true north, where Santa Claus lives, and magnetic north, where your compass actually points. But the Earth's magnetic field isn't fixed. It's fluid and changes over time. Right now, magnetic north is somewhere in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, and it's travelling towards Russia at about 60 kilometres per year. But that's a lot faster than it used to be, and some suggest it might be because the Earth's magnetic field is about to flip. It's happened several hundred times in the Earth's history. About once every 500,000 years on average, the South Pole takes its turn being the North. That's not exactly a huge issue. If North was South and South was North, we'd just have to update our maps or paint our compasses differently. The problem is what happens when it flips. See, we might be overdue for a geomagnetic reversal. The last one was 781,000 years ago. And we're not quite sure what's going to happen when it flips. During the transition, the Earth's magnetic field could go to near zero, exposing us to higher levels of radiation and charged particles. Could be similar to what happens during extreme solar storms. In 2003, 17 enormous solar flares erupted on the surface of the Sun, shooting out billions of tons of electrified gas and subatomic particles. On Earth, it caused power failures, disruptions to satellite communications, and grounded aircraft. Without a strong magnetic field to protect us, we could see that sort of chaos worldwide, and potentially for a very long time. Most reversals we know of occur over thousands of years, and even the shortest still took a human lifetime to stabilise. So should we be worried? Absolutely not. The averages make it look imminent, but there's absolutely no evidence to suggest that these events are anything but random. When it happens, it'll be slow and we'll have plenty of time to prepare. And besides, a weak magnetic field is just the worst case scenario. It's equally as likely that we'll just have a chaotic field with multiple north and south poles all over the place. And while that may knock out satellites and make these things unreliable, we should be fine. Or at least, you should be. Still need to find my way out of here.